Data nerds, ChatGPT just got a crazy upgrade. It can now see images. Just like this graph that I uploaded, it went through and actually analyzed it for me. So let's check it out. For this, I'm using the default model in ChatGPT, and it has this picture icon so that way you can attach pictures. But I'm just gonna actually just go ahead, drop it in right here. From there, not even gonna type a prompt, just gonna press enter. From there, it's gonna get to work actually analyzing what this picture is about. And it's already figured out that it's a panda coding with Python. It even includes this description: a delightful animated character showcasing the blend of pandas and Python programming, which I think it matches perfectly. But we're data nerds and we don't care about no cute panda pics. So let's actually use this to analyze data. And for this, I have this graph here. In it, it shows the top skills requested in data science job postings. It shows it for the 4 top jobs of data engineers, data scientists, data analysts, and business analysts. And it breaks down the top 10 skills of each. Now, even somebody like me, an experienced data analyst, this would take some time to actually analyze and draw insights from. But ChatGPT gets to town analyzing it. First, it calls out that Python dominates both data engineers and data scientist roles, which for both of these, it falls within the 1 or 2 option. Next, it talks about how SQL is highly desirable across all positions, especially in data analysts and business analysts. That's why SQL is so important. Next, it talks about cloud platforms, calling out AWS and Azure. Specifically, that's for data engineering and science roles. And then finally, it even goes into Viz tools, specifically calling out Tableau and Power BI and how this is more important for data analysts and business analysts. And these insights specifically that ChatGPT discovered would have taken me 10 to 15 minutes to discover. Now, I got it in a matter of seconds, so I'm really blown away by this. Now I have one other use case that I think would be relevant for non-data nerds, and that's understanding visualizations that somebody may not be familiar with. So this is a box plot. It's great for analyzing statistically. Data nerds are really familiar with this, but non-data nerds, probably not so much. And so I can feed ChatGPT an image like this, and it will get to town actually analyzing it. I actually prompted it, explain this graph to me like I'm 5 years old. I'm not going to go through this, but it basically talks about how it's different crayon boxes and explains it in a way that even a 5-year-old would understand. One limitation I am finding, however, is that it doesn't work outside of that default model. So here tried to use it in the advanced data analysis plugin to actually analyze a graph that I plotted via a data set. And after prompting it, it says, sorry, I can't view images. So it's a little sad. I even tried to copy and paste this image back into here to see if I could trick it, and it still didn't work. Even with this limitation, I'm still stoked that ChatGPT now has this functionality. It's not only useful for data nerds, but also for non-data nerds. I don't know. All right. With that, I'll see you in the next one.